Hello everyone, this is me back, and you're watching my channel. Your feelings are valid, and I'm so happy to release my seventh video. And last week I released about an important human emotion, anger, and this week I'm gonna share about another important emotion, that is fear. Yeah, so we all used to get feared of fear, right? When we think about something, we are getting that emotion, means we tend to think that we are weak. If we experience this emotion, we are deciding ourselves that we are weak. But the truth is, we are actually not weak. We are only weak if we are feared of the emotion fear. Hope you all are getting it. So, if we are facing that emotion with strength and courage, then you are not weak. Everyone, fear is universal, right? Fear is universal. But if we think we are weak if we experience this emotion, and we consider ourselves low when we are feared of something which we can't do or something, then only we are weak. For example, any event or anything is going to happen and you are feared of that particular thing which is going to happen, means that is natural. Everyone will get fear, and sometimes we tend to take this fear as anxiety. So everyone gets this emotion, but because of this emotion, if you are avoiding that event or anything, means then only you can consider that that emotion had a negative effect on you. Then only you can consider that that emotion had a negative effect on you. Until then, when you are facing that emotion, you are not in any wrong place. You are growing only. When you are facing fear, you are growing in that way. So whenever you experience fear, try to find the root cause for it. Like, why are you getting feared? What are the ways where you can do such that that fear will move away, and work on that fear. Working on that fear means taking some necessary steps to reach your destiny. So, for example, next week you are having an event and you are feared that whether you will do your best in that or not. So, every day, instead of thinking about that event, whether you will do or not, but every day, if you take some necessary steps for giving your best, even that step could be very small too, no problem. So, but you are taking your necessary steps so that you could reach that destiny, that is that event. Then slowly every day you can see that fear, that intensity of fear will go. Slowly it will move away. So when you are giving your action, the very important antagonist for fear is action, or the important medicine for the fear is you are doing some action, means that fear will go away. So when you take some steps for it, say it an exam or something, if you are towards it by taking some necessary steps, then slowly you will see yourself you are getting away from that emotion, and you will no longer experience that emotion in a very bad way. Instead, you will start viewing that emotion as a growth for you. Okay? So, fear is like, we all are born with fear of, there is a fact where humans are born with the fear of noise, like what to say, we all are born with some kind of fears, but other fears which we all developed, which we all have now, is all learned. We all learned fears in our day-to-day life. And there are some people who have phobias for, we know, right, for some creatures, or if something, some people might like dogs, but others will be scared of dogs. That's not called you are weak or something, so you are scared. That is, it is as it is. It is not called, what to say, it is not like you are feared of that dog and that person is liking the dog, means you are no way wrong in that. It is just liking, it's your choice. But we are always confusing our choice with the fear. Okay, something you're liking and that person, another one is not liking, means that is not your fear, so you are in a very bad position or something. Not like that. Fear is like, we all are feared of events in our life. So that is what real fear is, Other things are just like phobias. Maybe some things like dogs or some any other things. We will get scared of that, right? That is like something which we can't improve also. It will be like a reflex action, right? Yeah. So, fear is like, mostly in our life, we used to fear about the events, right? Events like exams and any other interviews, or going for a job interview and many other things like that. I'm saying any event, okay? Something you are gonna perform on stage. We all are feared of that, but that fear only takes control on you when you are not doing actions. Otherwise, that fear will only help you growing. So when you consider fear as doing some action and going towards that destiny, instead of sitting and thinking about that event, then only when you take actions, then fear will just fly away. So face the fear. If it says this, that fear is nothing but more than the outside situation, it all will be built up in the mind only, the fear, all the things, imaginations, and putting ourselves in a very worst situation also. We tend to imagine in our brain only, but it won't happen in real also. It might or may not, but we used to think it had happened or something, and we tend to worry about it. It happens naturally, nothing wrong. But try to segregate your thoughts and don't allow this emotion, fear, to control your actions. Either your actions should control fear. Okay? Your actions should control fear, and fear should not control your actions, or it should not prevent you from doing anything which you like. Okay? So, this emotion, don't ever try to ignore this fear or anxiety, or fear, anxiety, they seem to be same sometimes. We may not segregate emotions, or we can't name just like that, but it all has a reason behind it. If you are anxious before exams, it is just telling you to improve in your own ways. Okay, it is just telling you to improve in your own ways. So take it like a way of improvement to improve yourself. Okay, so something you are getting feared means just go into that fear and find the root cause and clear out that. You might be feared of your future, but everyday steps will decide your future, right? So the root cause is there in your everyday routine work. So try to do that, try to better that, and do your best in every day, every single day, and that will lead to your destiny. So that's what I want to share. So fear is something, try to dig into it, you will find the answer. And if you're feared about something, don't worry, you are not weak. Okay, this emotion is universal. That's what I want to say, because we all tend to think fear is something, I'm only feared so I'm weak. If someone said this, don't go and fight, just do your action towards your destiny. Okay, so this video is all about facing your fear, doing action, and reaching your destiny. Okay, so fear is not a negative emotion. It is just coming you to show how you can improve in your life in your own ways, what steps you can take to improve yourself, and it teaches many things too. Okay, so whenever you are getting feared of some events, sit, calm yourself, think about the root cause, clear out that thing which is the root thing that is making you to worry or fear about it. Maybe a small thing, do that today itself, so that every day that intensity of fear will reduce. You will feel that. Day one you would have had a very peak, your fear level would have been in peak, but every day when you take steps, it decreases for sure. So consider this emotion as a useful one for your growth. Okay, don't ignore your fear. It is an way of communication to your soul that what you can do to better yourself, or it can also come to protect you in something which you can avoid in life also. That fear can't speak, rather it just gives you like rising your heartbeat, or you can feel that you are sweating a lot. It is just giving you a signal that, or a protection signal to avoid from that situation or to avoid that thing. And it can also be a way, it can also say like go for it. So there are two-way streets for fear. One can say go for it, other one can say don't go for it. So that you should decide which is good for your life, which is good for you. Then use the language of fear, whether to go for it or not go for it. So going for it is something for your life growth, take it like that, and not going for it is something, a protection for you. Maybe others can go for that, but you are not going. Maybe it is just a protection your mind told to you, so you're not going for it. Take it that way. Okay, so everyone can't travel all ways, right? All paths. Everyone have to take some individual paths. So sometimes these emotions only will come and tell us which path we should take, so that our destiny is there. So whenever this emotion comes, choose which way to go. Analyze, take time and analyze which way to go. Okay?